Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily animate wiggle expression. Here you can see in the position property I have already added wiggle expression. The frequency is 2 and the amplitude is 50. So in 1 second position can wiggle 2 times and max 50 pixel. But I do not have any control over this expression. Like if I want to stop the wiggle in 4 seconds or 5 seconds, I cannot do that. So how to fix it? Create a null object first. Right click here, new null object. Just hide it. Now I will add two slider control. I'm using FX console here, but you can just search here like slider control and drag and drop here. On the first slider control, if I click it and press enter, I can rename it. I will rename it to frequency, and the second one is amplitude. Now on the wiggle property, I will remove those two values. Then you can see my cursor is here. I will just take pick whip with my mouse left button and drop it on the frequency slider. Then comma, again I will take the pick whip and take the amplitude slider. That's it. Now if I bring the frequency slider to 2 and amplitude slider to 50, then I'll see the same effect. Now the difference is I can easily animate these two values. Like if I want to start the animation from 2 seconds, I'll click on the stopwatch and input 0, then go to 3 or 4 seconds, then type 50, then again on 5 second mark just 0. Then you can see the animation start and then stop. So in this way you can easily control and animate your wiggle expression. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.